Hello and welcome dear students. I am Nandlal Singh, your mathematics mentor, Bhagwat Vidya Peer Chhapra. Student, this is the third lecture of the topic exponent. Now in this topics we are going to use a large number or a very small number in scientific notation or standard form. Now I have written already it. What is scientific notation? First the questions is in our mind, what is scientific notation or what is standard form? So it is a kind of shorthand that can be written, that can be used to write large or small number. Suppose a very large number is there and now I am going to write it in standard form. So for doing so I am going to maintain the form m into 10 to the power n, where m is in between 1 to 10 and n can be both positive and negative powers. For a small number, for a large number, n is always positive, and for a smaller number n comes in negative form. So now first I have written over there a large number. Now using exponent I am going to convert it into standard form. Now you can see that there is no decimal part in it. Now when we are going to maintain in this form, I use decimals. So suppose at first decimal is there. Now I am going to put this decimal after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 after 8 digit to maintain this form. So I am going this time from right to left. So I have used positive number. You also remember that when you goes right to left, you are going to maintain positive integers, and when you are going to put decimal after left to right, you are going to write negative number. So here the standard form is 5 into 5.98 into 10 to the power 8. This is the scientific notation of this very large number. Now for a small number, you can write, I have written a small number. Now this time for maintaining this form, I have to write decimal after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digit. Now what we do? We are going to put decimal after 7 digit. So I have written 10 to the power minus 7, and this maintain the property, this whole the form 10 into 10 to the power n. Similarly, first of all, you know that how to write a bigger number in scientific form or a smaller number in scientific form. Now we are going to use this property to solve these questions. Here you can see that a question is there, and this question is going to be expressed in standard form. Now we are going to use the property which I have just explained. You can see that here no decimal, a bigger number is there. Now I am going to put the decimal from right to left. So how many digits we are going to put the decimal? Suppose at first decimal is there. Now I am going to put the decimal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 after 15 digit. So I can write 6.0 to 10 to the power 15 to maintain the standard form of the number. Similarly in negative number also you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 raised to the power minus 9, because this time we go left to right. So this is the way by which we can represent a greater number or a smaller number in scientific notation. Now there is a question in which it is given that in a stake there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm, and 5 paper sheet each of thickness 0.016 millimeter. What is the total thickness of the stack? first I am going to determine the thickness of the book. There are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm. So after multiply the thickness of the book, we determine, and after that we are going to determine the thickness of the sheet, which is also 5 in number, and the thickness size is 0.016. Now after multiply the thickness of the sheet, we have determined. Now adding two values, 100 plus 0.080. Now this value is the total thickness. Now I am going to express it in standard form. What I am do, we are going to maintain the law m into 10 to the power n, where m is in between 1 to 10. Now we are going to put the decimal from right to left after 2 digit. So we are going to use positive power raised to the power 2, and this is the standard form. We are going to use any such type of number in standard form only. So in my previous video you have read the laws of exponent and some questions based on it, and this video you have studied exponents, use of exponent to write a very big number or a very small number in scientific form. So in next video we are going to meet with new chapter. Thank you.